Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful text breaking effect inside an After Effects. So let's get started. The first thing is write our text. So I'm going to select my text, breaking, and let's align it. Just cut down from start to end. And now just middle the key for the anchor point and just a little bit scale up. So as you can see, this is our perfect text. By the way, if you want this type of text, how I create this type of like David Jato text, let me know in the comment. I will definitely making a tutorial so how you can make this beautiful text. Let me copy all the effect from my previous text and paste it here, as you can see. So a little bit of adjustment of this gradient, and now our text is perfect. So now just close all the thing, and now let's add the shatter effect. So go to the effect panel and search for the shatter effect, and now drag and drop. So now let's start our work. So as you can see, this is our shatter effect. Let me drag up, and from view you must select render. So after selecting render, now open the shape and make sure to select the glass and pattern. So when you select the glass, as you can see, nothing changed. Now after selecting the glass, we need to go to the force 1, force 2, and the physics. We need to adjust the value here. So first I'm going to select the physics. Rotation speed is 0. This as I'm selecting the 0.30, and now just select this value 0 and select this 0. As you can see the effect. Now if I change the gravity, you can play with this and you can play with the other values as well, but I'm going to set and like this, and I just change the force 1 radius and strength value. The radius is 0.38 and the strength is 1.45. I'm just adding a keyframe at the last point, and at the start point I'm just changing the value to 0. So as you can see, this is how our text breaking effect. So I'm just changing the keyframe position. As you can see, you can play with this these value according to your need, but this is how you can easily create your beautiful text breaking effect. I'm just select the direction to 5%. I think it's good. 5 to 7%. I just 5%, and make sure this physics is not in a free. Make sure to select the none, and you can change the breaking position with these values. So you can play with these settings according to your need, but this is how you can create the beautiful text breaking effect. And make sure to subscribe, and if you want more video, let me know in the comment. Subscribe.